Whether you just got your Meta Quest or you've had it for a while, these are the absolute must-haves to get the best experience possible. I'll go over must-have accessories, powerful apps, and essential tweaks, all stuff I either use or recommend after hours of testing. So without further ado, let's start. Now first, I want to speak about accessories. First thing is a head strap. No matter what brand it is or how much it costs, if you find discomfort in the ones provided by Meta, you should definitely get one. I found that the price truly doesn't matter. I made the mistake of spending $20 on a head strap, but I'm sure if you get one of the $10 head straps, it probably won't be bad. Next is controller straps. My biggest fear is playing a fighting game or Beat Saber and accidentally chucking my controller across the room. So instead of that being a possibility, I bought hand straps. Now the hand straps specifically aren't expensive as long as you don't buy from one of the known brands that will try to get you to pay $20+, and trust me, these will make playing fast movement games carefree. Last but not least, we have link cables. This is the least needed physical item, but it can help a lot if used correctly. If you've attempted to play Quest Link and use the cable test on the Meta app, it's probably told you that your cable is not fast enough. With a link cable, you can get the best speeds possible for a actually cheap price. Mine was $4.38 from AliExpress, and it works really good. If you want to know if it's truly worth it, you can watch this video. Next, it is time to speak about the most useful applications on the Quest. These will be the most helpful things in this video. The first application is Sidequest. This is by far the most helpful application here, and it is free. Sidequest allows you to install applications that aren't already available on the Quest Store. Not only apps, but ported games and even custom environments. Next is Quest Games Optimizer. It isn't free, but it's amazing. This app makes every game you play on your headset look really clear and even perform better. By default, Quest games are optimized to not run at the best of their ability. With Quest Games Optimizer, you can force it, and not only can you get better performance, but you can remove the blur that is there and make any game sharper. Next up is Lightning Launcher. If you don't get Quest Games Optimizer, which also works as a launcher, then you can also use this launcher. This launcher holds all of your games, including unknown sources. I used this application before I bought Quest Games Optimizer. That is pretty much it. I know there are applications like ALVR and Virtual Desktop and plenty more that you guys would recommend, but in this video I'm only specifically recommending applications I have experience with. If you know of any other really good applications, let everyone know down in the comments. Next, we have important settings, and to start off, I'm going to recommend that you turn off automatic updates. I'm not sure if my issues were caused by Quest updates, but as some may know, Quest updates can cause issues like complete bricking or needing to factory reset. So for that reason, I have Quest auto updates completely turned off, and if there is a update, I manually install it, so there is no way for my headset to randomly update itself and break itself. Next setting is quick settings. Meta has recently added the functionality to disable certain modules in your quick settings. Doing this can make your quick settings area a lot more organized. Another important setting to enable is developer mode, and there is so much that isn't possible without developer mode enabled. I won't be going over how to do this in this video, but it isn't hard. I will leave a link to a website that shows how to do it. Last but not least is Link Auto Connect. For the people that don't want to take the few steps to enable Quest Link, this setting is perfect. As soon as you connect your link cable, Quest Link will start. It's at Advanced, enable developer settings, and then enable Link Auto Connect. If you want more helpful settings, you can watch this video. And that's it. Of course, there is a lot more that I can recommend to you guys, so if you want a second video, let me know down in the comments. I've personally used all of these accessories, applications, and settings, and they will surely make your experience better. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.